So we're out here in beautiful downtown Granite City with the fastest thing known to man to talk about shutter speed. That's right, that's the time in which your camera sensor stays open to let light into the camera. Everyone, pardon the interruption, but I'm hopping in just to say my apologies. We're talking about shutter speed, and we're talking about actual mechanical shutters. And the shutter speed is how long the shutter is open and close to capture the light, not the sensor. If we were talking about global shutters, that would be a different story. But in this case, we're talking about mechanical shutters. So I just wanted to pop in for a real human moment and let you know that I'm sorry. All right? And we're going to see if we can't slow down this man right here with the creative use of shutter speed. Let's dive right into it. All right, so shutter speed, simply put, is the duration for which your camera's shutter remains open to allow light in to hit the sensor. But it's much more than just a number. It's a tool for storytelling. Think of it as controlling time itself within your photograph. So let's talk about freezing motion versus capturing motion blur. So we're photographing a fast-moving subject, like our unicycle rider right now, right? A faster shutter speed is going to freeze the moment, allowing us to catch every detail in sharp focus. On the other side, you can see that with my slower shutter speeds, it feels a little bit blurry. We were shooting out on a busy street, so I didn't want to take too much time, but that motion blur adds a sense of urgency or momentum, a little bit of dynamic energy that's added to the picture, having that blur. So captured in the right way can add just that extra little pop to your image, right? So choosing the right shutter speed depends on what story you want to tell. If you want to freeze the action like at a sporting event, or if you want to capture the flowy, soft flow of a waterfall. Each scenario calls for a different approach. Here are some of the pictures we took of our friend here on the unicycle, zipping along. It shows the different shutter speeds and how it captured him in motion. Shutter speed, just like any other aspect, isn't just a technical prowess. It's about creativity and expression. So, embrace the magic of motion. Let your imagination run wild. There's no set rule in how you create, how you capture, how you tell your story, as long as you do it with intention. Yeah? All right?